The transformation from a data analyst to a strategic advisor does not begin with numbers. It begins with narrative. In the competitive business ecosystem of 2026, a strategist's true worth is not just measured by the complexity of their analysis, but by their ability to communicate insights in a format aligned with executive priorities. CEOs, as stewards of organizational destiny, allocate attention like investors manage portfolios, strategically, with minimal tolerance for waste. The challenge is not to surface all data, but to surface the right data in the right form at the right time. The first principle of a CEO-ready report is the inverse pyramid. Imagine the archetypal executive, an individual for whom each minute commands both strategic consequence and opportunity cost. When presenting analytics, the information hierarchy must be ruthless. Essentials ascend, detail descends. You're tasked to visualize the business logic, an argument constructed in 3 acts. Scene 1 opens with the North Star metrics. The dashboard, engineered in Looker Studio, launches with clarity. 3 visuals: total revenue, lead volume, return on ad spend, ROAS. Each metric is color-coded for instant cognition. When these bars or tiles display green, executive anxiety is assuaged. The CEO, in the cadence of a few seconds, can affirm the firm is growing. This design leverages authority bias. When you lead with strategic results, you position yourself as a partner in outcomes, not an operator lost in noise. With confidence established, the dashboard pivots to strategic context. Here, the narrative becomes explanatory. A line graph arcs across the months, plotting organic traffic to critical wellness blog properties against the shifting cost of customer acquisition. The intersection between these trends illustrates not just a statistic, but a strategic lever. Content is yielding savings. The data becomes a story, explaining why performance has shifted and which levers are moving the revenue needle. CEOs are thinkers by design. They appreciate when data confirms or challenges their business hypotheses through visual logic. The final layer is granular proof. Having led with strategy and context, we provide the underlying support, campaign-specific charts, detailed enough for the marketing team to audit execution, but compartmentalized to shield the executive from data fatigue. The SEO Bootcamp launch performance, broken down by channel, shows which initiatives contributed most to outcomes. This sequence demonstrates transparency and accountability without overwhelming the executive with operational minutiae. The sophistication of the report is amplified by technical execution. Live data connectors, such as those linking Looker Studio to PayHip, Google Analytics 4, and Meta Ads, ensure that every metric is refreshed in real time, eliminating the friction of obsolete reporting. Conditional formatting introduces visual cues. Metrics automatically highlight in red when targets are missed, demanding attention without manual intervention. This automation is not idle convenience. It is a communication protocol, ensuring that urgent matters are never lost in translation. At the core of this architecture lies the executive summary box. Here you, the strategist, re-enter as a human interpreter, distilling insights into 3 to 5 carefully chosen bullet points. These are not summaries, but strategies, interpretive statements that connect the past, what happened, to the future, what to do next. For example, organic traffic rise in Q2 is projected to reduce acquisition costs by 12% in Q3, recommend scaling blog production by 20%. This is where you demonstrate the leap from analyst to advisor, offering prescriptive rather than descriptive recommendations. The discipline of reporting clarity is quantifiable. By maximizing the metric-to-visual ratio, CR, You ensure that every chart delivers actionable insight, not decorative noise.